Kariuki, KTN.
Well, that story by Daniel Kariuki is equally what we'll be leading with tomorrow in tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. The headline is Wind of Change. Wave sweeps Africa as incumbents are shown the door after one term. Troubled rule. Across Africa, the myth of the untouchable incumbent is crumbling from Lilongwe to Gaborone, from Dakar to Lasaka. The winds of change are sweeping away presidents who once believed elections were mere rituals. Corruption, economic despair, and a restless youth bulge are rewriting the rules of power, and the fall of Malawi's Lazarus Chakwera is only the latest tremor in a continent rumbling with revolt. Of course, we have those previous head of states who've served for one term there. We will be telling you about from Botswana to Senegal to Ghana and now Malawi, if that continues. Right, Jesse?
Yeah, back in the country, tutors raise a stink over Shashoka, where a storm is brewing over the 20 billion shillings teachers' medical scheme, as President Ruto orders all 460,000 tutors into the fledgling Social Health Authority by December 1st. Find out the concerns raised on page 6 on tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. Do make sure to grab yourself a copy. Now, environmentalists in